I'm Will.
And I'm Josh.
And together,
we're Say Rock. Well guys, it's time for the next instalment of Dead Space. Is this part 4?
Part 4.
Part 4.
We're smashing through it. I'm going to start off this episode. I don't really want to because I don't like this game. I like it, you know, I like Josh playing it, but I hate playing it myself because I hate being scared. I am scared.
He's an absolute pussy.
I'm going to die straight away, so you have to play. So anyway, hope you enjoy and
yeah,
subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah, cool. Hope you enjoy, guys. There you are, dude. Welcome back to Dead Space 3.
Right, okay, I'm going to jump in and play it. I don't really want to. I'm scared to click B. I don't want to click B. I'm going to click B. Right. You can't just jump out of the
Mr. Babyface.
Last I saw her on the keyhole station. Said she was onto something big, shocked out to some secret coordinates, and then we lost contact.
It's gone.
I know your ex-girlfriend very well. She's still alive.
Ex-girlfriend?
Mad as hell we haven't found her yet.
You took away my ex? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
You did not like that, did you?
Ah, here comes the cavalry.
That's not good.
North, which ship is the Eudora? The bigger one that just flew over your head.
Ah,
What the fuck is that? I walked through it, Rosie.
all through there. I don't know, I keep aiming.
Isaac, look out, they boarded
How
the
do I
train.
run?
They boarded the train. It's ain't humans, it's not aliens.
How do I hide?
Crouch,
They want to aim.
He's on some more death for you. So what do you think of Dead Space over there?
Dead Space is the scariest game I've ever played in my life. Dead Space is...
Shit, lost the main battery. Isaac, get your ass up here.
Okay. Fuck you, bitch.
Shoot him in the dick! Take away his pride.
Hurry up, we can't hold them all.
I can't really go much faster, can I?
I am on a moving train.
Reload.
It's now or never, Isaac, come on.
Get on that motherfucker!
Double the train, I've got nothing left.
Coming.
Launch in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Look at him go. It takes a lot of muscle to do that. I've tried. Who's that?
Hey!
Be a shot. Is that death?
Probably.
More death. Just death.
Death
Do you
everywhere.
want to play?
No, you got it all in the wraps, pal.
Braille. Ah, sleep it down. That's what I prefer to do. I'd just rather sleep. This gameplay just be him sleeping because
That's
I'm fine with
not
that.
scary.
we have a nightmare. But there's that guy who saved me.
Who's that? Boy.
My boy.
What's up with these pictures in this game? Everyone's got a picture there of themselves and their boys
Because
and
everyone's
wives
dead.
and their ex-wives and
Sorry.
Because everyone's dead, you need to hold on to the last one.
he's not dead. He's not dead.
Yeah, but everyone else is dead around this.
back there. Try
harder
next time.
Oh,
Yeah.
Full message of the day.
You heard the man.
moral of the story is don't die.
If an alien apocalypse breaks out, don't die. Chapter 2, on your own. See?
On your own. That's what I love to see in a game. Right, he's breaking some of these bags. Strong bags, these.
They're gym bags, man. They've
Gym
got lads.
bags, they gotta hold off.
Jim's bag. Get some lunch down here. Or some ammo. That's what you have for lunch.
Oh, some orange juice. Look at orange juice. And some milk.
Oh, there's nothing better than non-refrigerated milk.
Love good old milk.
Yeah.
And more orange juice. And some...
ammo. Good old ammo.
Good.
Wherever there's food, there's ammo.
These trays.
Trays. These trays. Ooh, have some of that.
Right, let's go.
She's up your stasis.
Give us some fresh milk. What are these? Some tablets.
Oh, some suits.
Is that a porn mag in there?
Could be Earth Girls.
Earth Girls.
The girls.
There's a lack of Earth Girls at the minute. It's very spacey. Spacey alien-y.
Our #1 priority is finding
Right.
and securing Agent Langford and her team.
I think he's got his gun out, and he's on like a
Oh yeah.
friendly special ship.
It was not be friendly for long, is it?
No, in Dead Space everything lasts. Everything
There we
nice
go. He's
lasts for
walking.
about 2 seconds.
You get one little bit of friendliness and then you die.
All right, people, we're going in blind. Stay tight on that exit vector.
Good and blind.
Rosen, count it out.
Exit beacon locked. De-shocking in 5, 4, 3.
2, 1.
Is that it?
Yeah.
I was expecting some sort of, you know,
Some of that shit.
What's left of one?
it's the moon. Oh dear.
Rosen, I
That's,
see it.
that's not a moon. Whoa. To the Earth.
Yeah. I think Earth is devastated.
It's Mother Earth.
Christ.
With a lot of bits flying around.
More like a graveyard. Any sign of Ellie's ship?
You just called Earth a graveyard.
Bastard. I think it's Earth, I'm not sure.
None of them
Is
are
it
ours. According to the registry, they're sovereign colonies' warships.
Serious? You'll be over 200 years old.
Wait, I'm getting something. It's an SOS coming from that ship dead ahead. The
What
CMS
ship?
phone number.
It could be Ellie.
The
I hope so. All right, Rosen, close to
React
500
ship.
clicks.
Right.
Not that one there, that one there, lad.
is that a ship?
The beacons?
Hang on. No. Mine!
Rosen, get us
Mines.
out of here.
Mines. Alright, yeah. And there goes our safe,
ending.
yeah, safe ship. Get your gun out. Get your gun. Oh dear. Oh dear.
I don't think his gun's going to be much against mines.
No. I think we're dead.
Yeah,
A lot of death is
Yeah,
happening.
death's
A lot of death.
Yeah,
We're crashing towards this planet. And maybe Earth.
we're not sure.
Mate, I've got you.
Carver, goddamn, give me a hand here.
Give your hand.
Here.
Take this staple gun.
And seal up that
Staple
door.
it up.
When are you giving the orders? So somebody else has a fucking plan. Look, I was
No need for
saying
languages though, I mean.
Carver, where can I find an EVA suit?
So better.
We'll try and keep Isaac under wraps in the future. He's a bit of a loose cannon.
He's off. Oh, death. Gravity off. Oh, here we go.
Oh yes, 0 G's.
Zero G.
That's what made me love Dead Space. Okay, gravity's
Now
back.
it's back on. And now he's shaking.
Death.
Oh, a lot of crap. Oh, better run. A lot of action in this game, isn't there?
Yeah.
To be fair. Oh,
You're over the shot here.
yeah, let me get through here. Oof, got the neck. Nice one, mate. Nice one. Oof. Get on your new suit. Get on your suit. Suit up.
These boots are made for walking. That's just what they all do. Someday.
Oh,
These boots are all over. These boots are going to 0 G.
Get your helmet on, man. Come on, Iron Man.
No!
Iron Man! He's flying. He is Iron Man.
That is an Iron Man face.
He is Iron Man, look at him.
Deal, what now?
Okay, just
Gotta try to plan for about here.
He is Iron Man. I am Iron Man.
Okay, I can see the
brush.
road.
Thank you.
Rosen, lock, brace
I'm
yourself.
Iron Man.
Once I release
Where'd I
the
go?
clamps, Let's get close. Clear the door. Everyone find something to hang
So
on to.
press something like, maybe that. Press it.
Oh dear. It's very confusing. Boots, man.
Yeah.
No, there, can I go there? No.
Turn around, I think.
I'm very confused. It's making me feel sick.
Go that way.
Towards the light. Always go towards the light.
Yeah.
So I move this way. How'd you like do that? Weird.
Oh yeah, aim. And then B. Do the other one.
And now that.
No, I think you go up to it and click it. I'm not really sure.
Oh yeah, more death. Iron Man, you don't be scared of that. Maybe that. Yeah, Iron Man.
Do you want to do?
I can't
Stop.
slow it down. Try to steer towards
Oh
me.
dear.
I can almost reach you.
Oof.
Whoa.
All these mines.
Mine.
Oh dear.
You
Hi.
have to aim and shoot, bro.
I don't need
You
to
have to
shoot.
protect him.
No, I'm not shooting.
Go for that.
No.
Isaac, where are you?
Oh.
I'm coming. Just hang on.
I'm coming.
Oh.
Flying towards you as fast as I can, bro. Oh.
Fine.
Oh. Oof.
Fucking hell, he's gonna push up. Some strong arms up there.
How many mines are in space? I mean, oh dear.
As many as there has to be.
Hey, watch it. Watch it. I can't
Watch
see
what?
around it. Then punch through it. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh dear. Death.
I got it. I got it. Stay under control. I'm full thruster.
You ever seen Gravity, the film?
No.
This is Gravity, the film. The remake. The Death make.
Okay.
It's just like Gravity. You see Gravity? And have you?
Let's not do that
This
again.
is
Can
Gravity.
you
That
make
one
it
with
cargo
what's it called?
dock? Yeah. Yeah, you think it's there?
George Clooney.
Yeah,
At least
yeah.
that Celeste is coming from somewhere inside,
This is
so
it.
let's hope so.
This is Gravity. Hello?
Fluff them.
Oh, looks like the power's out everywhere.
I can go and go
There's no
to
way to
the
activate the cargo doors. I think there's a manual crank on the other door. See it?
Get behind him.
Right.
Oh,
I'll see if I can get
Don't want the
inside.
lamb.
oof, you like that? Ah. Ready for my special move? Boost! Right, we're gonna have to end it, I think. I've played enough of this. I'm going to sleep. Right, hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's been a blast. This walkthrough. We'll be sure to get some more content to you soon. But for now, this is Sayrog signing out.
Subscribe to become a Say Roger today.